So how to fix Facebook Messenger switch accounts easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Messenger and click on it. Click on force stop and then click on permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back and then click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data and delete. Easy peasy. And then go back, click on the open by default option. Click on this open supported links in the app and choose always allow, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.